Guys, massive updates for Kaspa are coming into play, and I think you guys should watch this entire video if you guys want the latest news regarding the project. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into it and let me cover the latest news regarding Kaspa and its overall growth as well. If you want to make massive money by trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. In my trade signal group, I mentioned the entry points where you guys should be taking the trades, the amount of risk factor involved, the token which we are trading, and along with that, I also mentioned the entry prices as well as the target levels or say the take profit levels. We have been really positive and very profitable within my group. As you can see, here are some of the results which we have been able to accumulate in the past couple of months. So make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to my group will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month. However, I believe this is going to be really good for all of you guys who join in. Only limited spots are available as well. Anyways, now let's jump back to Caspa and let me show you some of the charts. So as you can see, not much of a movement on the charts. If we see right over here, we are forming a higher high right over here, which is higher low right over here, which is really good to see, and something which basically directs Caspa in the right direction. Also guys, another thing which I want to clarify right now is that I believe right now Caspa might be forming this massive elite wave structure which should include 5 waves towards the upside. We completed this wave 1 right over here, then we went into this wave 2 right over here, we completed the wave 3 right over here, we completed the wave 4 right over here, and right now we might be in this wave 5 towards the upside where the price for Caspa could go beyond the point 2 level, and my personal price targets for Caspa is sitting at about 0.25. Now if we calculate from the current price points, that is going to be about 82% more from the current price points, and I believe that Caspa is very likely to make this move in the upcoming weeks and in the upcoming days as well. As for the support level which I believe Casper is going to be running into, I believe the most important support level for Casper is going to be this gray line right over here at a price of about 0.12. After that, I do expect some strong resistance level coming into play between these two gray lines right over here at a price of about 0.157 and 0.19, which was also the recent all-time highs. Overall, Casper market is looking really bullish, and I think some massive updates are going to be taking in towards the upside as well. So guys, first of all, as you can see right over here, we have a tweet from LD, who is an Australian Casper ambassador, and he's thanking Bitmain Tech, which is one of the best and leading manufacturers of mining servers. So it's my pleasure to attend and represent Casper as an ambassador at the event which we had discussed previously in my videos as well. So Caspa, as you can see, just got its highest hash rate, which is 208.73. This is really good and something which a lot of people are not really looking at, because whenever Caspa gets to a higher hash rate, we often see the price falling similar charts like that as well. Also guys, we have another thing here from Rubab. So as you can see, this was a special project which they had worked on with Ice River Miner to brand this Kaspa currency commemorative KS0 Pro miner. And as you can see, this miner is looking absolutely sick. The first sightings of this machine is wild. Each one came with the Kaspa keyring as well. Overall, people are getting into Kaspa mining, which really make sure that more and more people are mining the project and overall raising its supply as well. Another tweet, which is the most important news for today, is going to be that Caspa on Rust is about to go live on the mainnet soon. This is really big news for all of us Caspa investors out there, because this is like a Bitcoin halving event for Caspa. It's not really that much of a big of a deal for all the other people out in the cryptocurrency space right now, but I believe this is marking some really good foundations for the Caspa project. Now guys, the delay in deploying Rust to 1 blocks per second mainnet as a general guide to the public is related to the dust prevention method implemented in Rust. Now guys, unlike the meme pool patch in Go, in Rust, these guys have implemented long-term solutions which balances security from dust attacks with quality of service for ordinary users. The reasons they have rushed to implement it in Rust was that they wanted it as a part of their TN11, However, guys, this solution, which is activated on the mem pool level, also for the mainnet in Rust, has implications on wallets and other ecosystem softwares and requires a formal feedback from the community. This is why publishing this KIP is mandatory step before moving forward with the Rust. And the KIP is final. KIP is in final editorial phases and is all M Sutton doing in the last few days, and this is going to be providing you with some enough information about this oral update as well. Now guys, the last step before switching on to Rust Lang for CAS is in its final editorial phase. This phase is publishing the KIP required for implementing the newly engineered dust attack prevention method for Casper networks. So Casper is taking, basically solutions and is implementing solutions for the dust attacks. So making sure that they never really happen in the future as well, which is really good for laying out the foundation for the upcoming future. Now guys, Casper on Rust is closer than it has ever been, and this is very really true if we check out some of the announcements from the team in the latest times as well. Speaking of Casper team, here we have Shai Deshay, who is one of the lead developers on Casper chain, and he's saying everything that M Sudden basically said is very important, but there is another important aspect, and that is going to be transparency. Since the new bloat prevention mechanism is already enabled as P2P rule in the Rusty CAS code, it is of utmost importance that it is reviewed by as many independent contributors as possible before a stable version of the Rust client is released. Basically, right now a beta has been released, and Casper is inviting all of the independent contributors to basically contribute to the Casper ecosystem and making sure everything is going as much smoothly as possible. We do not want to set a situation where there is some magic formula in the code that no one but a handful know why it's there, what it does, and why it should be trusted. Towards that end, we are tirelessly working on writing a KIP specifying and serving the solutions and an accompanying research paper providing rigorous formal analysis. Make sure you guys are on the lookout for this, writing written research paper, which is going to be really, really interesting and something which I'm going to be covering on my channel in the upcoming videos as well. Overall, guys, I think the Casper community is going in the right direction. Overall, the community is also growing every single day. Now, even though that might not reflect in the price for Casper, I still believe the project has long ways to go. If we check out the volume in the MACD indicator, you will be able to see that the volume right now is basically, it is not really decreasing, but it is not increasing as well. So not a lot of movement as mentioned on the volume. Now, if we check out the buying and selling pressure, you can see that even though we got massive selling pressure right around these areas, right now we haven't really been getting any sort of buying or selling pressure, which is a step in the right direction. We are also on a verge of a bullish crossover on the MACD indicator, which is indicating a lot of strength and strength towards the price of Casper to go towards the upside. Overall, I believe that Casper is moving in the right direction, and in the longer time frames, you're gonna be seeing Casper reach $1 to $1.5. But that's the talk for another day. So make sure you guys subscribe if you guys want more price analysis video just like this one on Casper. Now, if you guys want to make some money by trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, however, only limited spots are available, so make sure you guys are quick to grab onto your spots and join in as soon as possible. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.